Is this thing upside down? It better not be. Why is the camera upside down? There it is. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new, it's your girl. Why do I keep saying it's your girl if they don't even know me? Like, that doesn't make sense. It's like someone walking up to you and it's like, hey babes, and I'm like, bitch, I don't know you. Okay, I shouldn't curse. But anyway guys, so I'm going to be dyeing my hair red. I did dye my hair once. I don't remember when. Maybe like a year ago, or a little over a year ago. But like, you can barely see it. You can barely see it. But if you have good eyes, then you can see that it's obviously two different colors here. So I went to the store and I was like, you know what? It's Christmas time. I haven't done this in a while. I should get back into it. So I just found this country colors. I literally don't know if there's any specific you know, brand that I should be using. It doesn't really matter. But this is no ammonia. It says it lasts up to 8 weeks, which is all I'll be needing. Also, I'm using my old camera, so if the okay, it's a lot of echo here, but also I'm using my old camera, so if the sound is not the same, I wasn't able to connect my microphone to this camera, so it is what it is, guys. And I'm just gonna be dyeing my hair, so chillax. So I just need to take out everything and see how it goes. I need to put my hair in sections first. My hair is so dry. Like, I wanted to do braids, but I was like, I don't have the time. I had exams, things were coming up, and I was like, dye my hair is probably the easiest thing to do right now. Look at that. What is this? What is this? I feel like I should wet it a bit because it's too dry, like abnormally dry at this point. I got this from Normal, I think, a store here. No, not Normal, actually, from Bobby's, I think. It's like a store in Oslo where you can buy like different hair products and stuff. Just a little bit. Okay guys, so I've sectioned my hair into 4 sections. I don't know if you can see, you probably can. But I think you're not supposed to wet your hair. I think it's supposed to be dry. But there's no way. There is no way that I'm putting color on this entangled hair. Like, we don't do entanglements like that, you know? But okay, let's open the box. I tried to find where it says like how to use it or something like that, but it doesn't even say how long. Maybe it's inside. Oh, it's inside. Because I was like, did they just give this to me without telling me how to use it? What kind of shit? Don't even make me talk about it there. Don't even make me answer yourself. Okay, so it comes with 3 products. So this is the color. Oh, this is the applicator. Use this to apply it. That's actually kind of nice. And this is the conditioner you're going to use after. Okay, we do have a what do they even call this? I don't know what they call this in English anymore. A manual, but in Norwegian there's this name, you know, like you use your manual. I think it's manual. Instruction, lift flat, it says here. Get your English right, Mega. What are you doing? Okay, so preparation before starting the application. Cover your clothes. Okay, that's why I'm naked. If you guys didn't know, if you just thought I wanted to just wake up in the morning and look this hot, I didn't. I just had to, you know. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. Yeah. Okay. So that mixing, unscrew the cap of the applicator, blah 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 blah. Do you guys also, like, you know, when you have to read like something this long, you just go like blah 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 blah? Where's the important stuff? Oh, it says 20 to 30 minutes. Oh, I recognize that. Numbers, good. Shampoo application, you know, because it's like, do they really expect people to read the whole of this thing? And to those who do, okay, this is your English side, only this side, but like still though, it's a lot. Those who do, kudos, because you need to. Let the surgery begin. Okay, I'm gonna give this a good shake. Okay, nothing happened, just the top. Now I was supposed to break when I'm done shaking. Broke off. Like a relationship. Ooh. Okay. I really want the color to really like mix. Because I'm looking at it and it's like, it's not giving the pigment that I want. The pigment. Why do I look like Spider-Woman? Ah! I think my neighbors are gonna think something has happened to me. I keep shouting. This is not how it should be. This is not how it should be. Okay, Spider-Woman, put your cape back on. Put your cape back on. There, and then I'll put this here. Call me a designer, cause I am one. Call me a designer, cause I am one. Okay, I've done the whole head and we still have some product left. I'm shocked. I'm shocked by the way it's looking. But I didn't use any bleach or anything, so I'm just putting the color straight to my hair, which I think is the best. Straight to my hair. Jesus, I sound like I'm from New York. I'm just gonna go back in and put some extra products at the on the roots. I think this is the perfect fall color right now. Do you guys agree? Anyway, it's 15:20, so it's time to wash this hair, baby. I hope I don't make a mess everywhere, honestly, because I really don't have time for that. Nobody got time for that. I still do have plans of braiding my hair, but this is gonna motivate me to celebrate Christmas at least.
The 𝐂𝐇𝐀𝐏 just becomes totally
I like it. It's not too red. Of course, my hair was dark as shit. But I need to put in I need to use the care conditioner to wash it. My hair is so dry, but I can't wait to like blow dry the hair and then really see what it looks like when it's like, you know, blown out. Let's get into it. I'm just gonna put the conditioner on there actually. Oh, it smells good. Oh, I should put it in and leave it in for 2 minutes. No, 2 minutes. You know when you wear slippers, have a shower or you get them wet and then you try to wear them again, it's just cold. And don't focus on my toes. I'm gonna be doing self-care video and it's gonna get worked on, okay? I'm just saving things for the content, guys. Everything has a reason, okay? But I got carried away using my phone. I'm gonna wash off the care conditioner now and then we can blow dry my hair. Okay, so I used this blow dryer that has like a comb. Oh, it has 3 sections. 2 of the other sections are somewhere in my bedroom, but I mostly use this one because it's easier. I think it's way easier to like use this, because before I would have like a blow dryer and I would like use a comb and it was just a whole lot. So this is from Baby Bliss. I think this is like the best, or one of the best, not the best, one of the best investments I made this year. I tried to, okay. I tried, because you have 0, then you have like this, 2, 3. So you have like 3 different steps. Of course, number 3 or number 2, as it says here, 1, 2, is the hottest. And I don't want to like use too much heat on my hair, because then it dries out fast. I prefer to like, you know, go with like a low heat, but then do it like a lot of times. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and you guys are gonna see the end results, okay?
Yeah. Hey, Amaru. Only if you're ready. Let's go. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you.
So the hair has no direction, but this is what it looks like. The color, it's not bad. It's giving very dark red. ish thing. I don't even know what to do with my hair at this point. I wanted to do like 4 braids, but I'm like, nah, I need to leave the house soon. Nope, that's not gonna work. But anyway, this is what it looks like. I'll figure something out. We'll figure something out. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, I like the bob. I really want a bob look. I just don't know how to get it. I don't want to straighten my hair like completely either. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was interesting. Okay, what was that? I've been hanging out around kids so much, it's crazy. I'm starting to act like one, which I am. But thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, happy Christmas. I hope you guys enjoy the Christmas. And there's a lot of exciting news and a lot of exciting things happening after the New Year's. So stick around for the fun.